Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get your Instagram account verified. Yes, you can get the famous blue tick right next to your name, and it's very simple. All you got to do is go to getbluetick.com. So I'm on the website right now, and I'm going to show you guys how you do this. So just type in getbluetick.com into Safari, and it should take you to this website. Once you're on this website, you're basically going to continue, and then you're going to type in your username. I've done this with many different friends. I've gotten their accounts verified, and from my understanding, this is the only free verification method for Instagram on the market currently, and it's free, 100%. So all we have to do is we got to type in our username, and you don't have to put an at the beginning of it. And once we do that, we're going to just type in our first name here. We're going to click on continue. It's going to ask you, is this your account? And you're going to say yes, continue. It's going to check for requirements, and all we have to pass is 2 out of 3 of the requirements. In this case, perfect, we passed 3 out of 3, but you just need to pass 2 out of 3. Once you pass, you're going to hit continue. And then we're going to have to verify our identity. There's been a lot of bots using this software to basically verify many accounts. And to crack down and stop that, you need to verify that you are a human and not a bot. So it's going to take you to this page. And to verify yourself, you need to download a couple apps. So I'm going to download Solitaire. And to ensure that you get verified, you need to have the app for at least 30 seconds. You need to be going on the app for at least 30 seconds in order to verify. You need to be messing around in the app, and just make a goal to at least go over 30 seconds and towards a minute. That's it. That's all you do, and then it will verify your Instagram account. And boom, it's downloaded. So we're going to hit open, and we're going to mess around with the Solitaire app for about 30 seconds. Alright, so once we're done messing with the app, I think it's been over 30 seconds, we're going to close out of it, go back into the website, and we're going to do another app. So let's do Panda Pop. And I've done it where you just need to download one, and sometimes you just have to download 2. So this one, we have to find it through the App Store. So Panda Pop right here. Hold on. Face ID. And we're just going to wait for the app to download so we can verify that we are a human. And boom, once it's downloaded, same thing. The instructions are pretty clear cut and simple. You just want to be opening it for about 30 seconds and messing around with it, playing the game. So right now, just messing around with the game a little bit. And again, you want to make it a goal to do this for at least 30 seconds or more. Just aim for above 30 seconds as your goal. And it all has to do with what a bot wouldn't do. A bot wouldn't be able to play this game and go over it. It'd have to be a very complex bot, and this is just going to be able to know that, hey, this is a human and this is not a bot. Very simple, and I think we hit about 30 seconds. So I'm going to close out of this app, and we're going to refresh the Instagram. And boom, there it is. We just got verified. And yeah, that's all you got to do. And yeah, wow. Alright, yeah, so I've tried this with many people, and I got this account verified with my friends. And yeah, go to getbluetick.com. Right now, from my understanding, it's the only working Instagram verified method right now. So make sure you go to that website to do it, and yeah, get yourself a verified Instagram account. Hope this helps.